All right. Let's see what happens here. I should have power. Figured out what the issue was. Somewhat. This is the issue right here. You need a wire brush. I should be getting power right about now. Alright, we're going to take the Chevy to get it worked on. Finally get this thing fixed. So, y'all stay tuned. Alright, so up underneath the box Chevy, first things first, couple of drips, power steering, gotta fix that. And then as we get further right here to the starter, this wire right here is touching the headers and it burned off, or it's burning right there, that little pink wire, because it touched the header. If you can see it right there, got to change that and then get some header wrap, torque converter, got to change this cable right here because it's not going into gear, so that popped out, so we got to change that, change this oil pan, the pickup tube, oil filter. Then we see down here, these are tweaked in, and then also up here, it's flat when you touch here. You can see that. Dynamax turbos. And then we can see right here, see the leaking from the wheel bearing, or from the rear main seal. See that? It's all caked up, as opposed to this side. So that's what we got going on here under the box Chevy. I'm guessing we only have to take out these.
I got a quick answer.
All right, so we're just gonna start draining this oil. This little oil pan is gonna go. Oh, look at that. Let me check those bearings. All right, so we'll just let that drain. Go ahead on and move to the next. Now, the last time we drained this oil, it was actually silver. And of course, I still had the metal on it.
You want me to call him now?
Looking in the wrong spot, my friend.
Oh, damn.
No, the funny thing about it is that the last time I changed this oil, it was completely silver.
No, I'm looking. Oh, okay, right there. Yeah, you see it.
Yep.
That's metal and oil. See? That's how you see it.
Oh, there it is. Oh, drive it till the wheels fall off.
So do you think that you're not getting oil? So you know.
I'm guessing when we take this off, is that pickup tube is going to be completely off.
Okay. But if it's not,
If it's not, then it's probably clogged or something is wrong with the oil pump. All right, so once this is drained,
so this oil, the fuel pump has to come out.
yes, fuel pump is going to have to come out. We're going to take off these two. All right, so now oil filter is coming off.
Go ahead, go ahead.
There we go. And that is a ½ inch or 14.
You want probably get this moving out of the way.
That takes a gasket? Or is that just sealant?
Take the gas.
All right, so all of these screws right here are out for the oil pan. These two motor mounts, so now we just need to tilt the engine back a little and hopefully this will slide out. The only issue is that we're going with a larger oil pan, so it may be a little bit harder than what I'm talking about, but we'll see. We will definitely see. Oh, you know what we might have to do too? Take the #1 piston, put it at top dead center. Because if it's down, it's going to stop this from coming out. So we might have to lower the car.
I don't know why. I should be. Okay. So that would be true. I'm looking at it now.
Is it down?
It's down, but that would be if we was having a problem up here. You understand what I mean? Like
Yeah.
if you had a problem taking this out, but
Almost wants to come out.
it's not gonna come out that way.
Now without this coming out.
Even if you take out the flywheel, I still think the motor has to come up a little bit to clear the front.
I think so too.
So if we take out the...
Does it have clearance? Is there any other mount preventing it from going up further? Transmission mount?
I mean, the transmission, the top of the transmission.
How's the starter looking? The starter's fine. I can't see.
These wires are touching the exhaust.
Yeah, no, I got to change that one and put header wrap. Alright, so we had to lower back the car because that oil pan wasn't coming out. And with the size of the new one that's going in, it's just best to take out the engine. So, disconnecting all this loose stuff. Out this was for the battery. You can see right there. So we just disconnected this from the alternator altogether because we don't want that to arc, whatever it is. Disconnect this. Since we're not running AC right now, shouldn't be that much coolant. Headers are loose. We've drained the power steering. Disconnected the spark plug wires. Yep. So, I think just one more mount and she's pretty much ready to come out. All right. Get off the flywheel. Oh, what a pain. Fit. That does. Alright, so now we gotta disconnect. Well, this needs to come off, but we also have to disconnect our headers, exhaust. I've already started taking off this one. Let's see what kind of nightmare you're gonna cause. Oh. Whew. Carburetor's coming off. We've disconnected all of these. Alright, engine's ready to come out. Pretty much. If it I got room over here, so. And the distributor's pretty much cleared. So, oh yeah, we good. We just keep pulling it forward. Okay.
Hold on, wait. Hold on. No. Oil pickup tube is in place. If you're gonna do something with this car, this is the time to do it.
And pickup tube is
100%. This valve right here, this valve seal right here is no good. See? The story comes out.
yeah, this one's no good right here.
The first one?
First one.
So that's number 2. If you take this motor and you put it back in, and you didn't fix it, then that's a waste of time.
Look at that. That's where that metal's coming from, inside the oil. Scratched. Yeah.